Ewi pok mar omenda e kind sirikal mamalo kod sirikal ma counties orem chopo winjruok ewi kwan omenda mar hola maonge nyinyo ma sirikal mamalo onego chwal ne counties kata sirikal ma counties. Jod bura mako chung' motegno ni gibiro mana puodho hola makamano mondo odhi ne counties kapo ni riwruok mar gavanas owito oko bura mane gichwalo e doho ka dwani omenda mag kongo apeyni manie county chwale aguch gavanas ma ok aguch NG-CDF. Senators korka korgi oseyo jod bura kuom keto ngima jotich mag counties kaka nyamrerwa kama ng'aw kaluwore gi ywaruok margi kod gavanas.
Kenyans are paying an interest on loans that is sitting at the treasury and it cannot be disbursed because the politicians here are not looking at the big picture. There is money that we've signed up, Flocker, which is supposed to go out digging of boreholes and doing all sorts of things that benefit your voters in the constituency and my voter in the county. Let us not be short-sighted. Honorable chairs, I beg that we proceed. If we find there is a grant where we are disagreeing on, we are ready to look at the issues and find a common ground. But let us not punish the people in counties because of a disdain for their governors.
The issues of community health promoters must never be an issue of discussion, because their salaries must never be debatable. Just the same way the salaries of civil servants are not debatable, and just the same way even the National Treasury prioritizes salaries or PE, personal emoluments, as a priority when they receive exchequer, we must never subject the community health promoters under the kind of stalemate that we are having.